Do you ever spend hours studying, but when exam time comes, your brain just goes blank? Well, not anymore. Today, I'll share 10 powerful study hacks backed by science that can help you remember anything you learn. These aren't random tricks, they're techniques used by top students and memory champions. Let's dive in. Hack number 1: teach to learn. When you explain a concept to someone else, you force your brain to organize the information clearly. This is called the Feynman technique. If you can't explain it simply, you don't fully understand it yet. So, teach to remember. Hack number 2: active recall. Instead of rereading your notes again and again, close the book and test yourself. Write down everything you can remember on a blank page. Then check what you missed. By pulling information out, your brain makes stronger memory pathways. Hack number 3: the Pomodoro technique. Your focus isn't unlimited. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 rounds, take a longer break. This method prevents burnout and keeps your brain fresh. Hack number 4: flashcards. They're amazing for memorizing facts, formulas, and vocabulary. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet that automatically schedule reviews. Daily practice with flashcards builds strong long-term memory without cramming. Hack number 5: visual learning. The brain remembers pictures faster than words. Turn your notes into mind maps, diagrams, or even doodles. The more colorful and creative your notes, the easier they'll stick. Hack number 6: sleep equals memory glue. When you sleep, your brain organizes and stores everything you learned during the day. Skipping sleep before an exam is the worst mistake. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours. It's like hitting the save button on your brain. Hack number 7: move to remember. Exercise increases blood flow to your brain, which boosts focus and memory. Even a short 10-minute walk during breaks can refresh your mind and help you absorb more. Hack number 8: mnemonics. Turn boring lists into acronyms, rhymes, or funny stories. For example, to remember the planets, we use "My very educated mother just served us noodles." The sillier the phrase, the faster you'll recall it. Hack number 9: spaced repetition. Instead of cramming the night before, review information at intervals. 1 day later, then 3 days, then 7 days. Each review strengthens the memory. Apps like Anki make this easy by reminding you exactly when to revise. Hack number 10: interleaving. Don't just study one subject for hours. Mix it up. Switching between topics like math, history, and science forces your brain to adapt and learn more deeply. It may feel harder at first, but it makes your memory stronger. So those were 10 powerful study hacks to supercharge your memory and actually remember what you study. Let's do a quick recap. Teach it, recall it, time it, flash it, visualize it, sleep on it, move your body, use mnemonics, space it out, and mix it up. Which hack will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to save this video so you can come back to these tips anytime you need a study boost.